Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to delete Chess mobile account. So first of all, you're gonna click on the three lines at the top left and you're gonna go to your settings and go to all settings. So as you can see right here, this is my settings, account, password and all that, yada yada yada. And you're gonna see right here your account subject to the site terms and condition, and we're gonna click on manage account. And as you can see right here, they have a problem and everything, and it says right here, do you want to close your chess.com account completely? We are so sorry to see you go. Please consider using the the above to contact member support and tell us why. And you're gonna just basically enter your identity, which is your username that you used in chess, and enter the following the following words or and numbers in that picture. So and afterwards you're gonna confirm identity and you're gonna proceed to delete your account permanently. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.